A properly sealed toilet flange stops leaks and wobble so your finished bathroom stays dry and stable. Start by removing the toilet or rocking it gently to check for any lateral movement at the base, because even slight play indicates the flange or its connection to the subfloor is compromised. Visually inspect the flange for cracks, corrosion, or gaps between the flange and the finished floor. If you see any, plan to repair or replace the flange and use a flange extender if the floor was raised. Press the wax ring area with a gloved hand or a flat tool to feel for softness or residual moisture around the drain opening, and replace the seal if it is deformed, old, or shows signs of compression set. Tighten the closet bolts evenly by hand, then alternate small turns with a wrench until snug without over-torquing to avoid cracking the porcelain. Use new bolts if they are corroded or the threads are damaged. Pour a few small cupfuls of water into the bowl while watching the floor and the ceiling below the bathroom for immediate drips, and run this test several times with a minute between each to catch slow seepage. For hidden flange to pipe gaps, use a borescope to inspect inside the trapway and the flange seating area, or remove the toilet if a scope is not available, because direct sight is the most reliable way to confirm a proper seal. Finally, after reinstallation, place a paper towel around the base and apply light pressure to the seat while flushing to detect any transfer of moisture that might indicate a failing wax or rubber seal. The most common issue is a loose or broken flange causing a rocking toilet, which leads to seal failure and seepage. Fix this by securing the flange to solid joists with stainless steel screws, or installing a flange repair ring and then replacing the wax ring. The second frequent problem is a crushed, old, or improperly seated wax ring that allows slow leaks onto the floor over time. Resolve this by removing the toilet, cleaning the mating surfaces, and installing a new properly sized wax or waxless seal following manufacturer torque guidance. The third concern is flange height too low or too high relative to the finished floor that prevents a proper seal or creates stress on the bolts. Correct low flanges with stacked flange extenders and replace or shim as needed, and correct high flanges by trimming or using a reduced thickness seal so the toilet seats evenly without strain. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors who are available for flange repairs and full toilet reinstallations, and we help contractors find jobs in their service area. We also host a discussion community where members share inspection tips, photos of problem flanges, and step-by-step troubleshooting advice so we can learn from each other.